Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. This is Toy-Nutz. Today going to be doing an unboxing and look at the Marvel Legends Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness Defender Strange. This figure was a Target exclusive around the time when the movie came out. This is spoiler warning, I guess, if you will. Doctor Strange from the opening of the movie. We know he's from an alternate universe helping American Chavez get to the Book of Ashante. Pretty cool figure. Due to the price hikes when he came out, he was almost $45. Definitely, I don't think worth that price. Was able to catch him when he was on clearance. And he's a pretty cool, decent figure at about the $25 to $30 price point. The packaging is pretty much the Doctor Strange style, dark black. Nice photoshopped picture. Comes with a giant flame effect in the background. That side also has more of the photoshopped picture. It's pretty sparse, which doesn't help the figure when he came out at his outrageously priced point. Back of the box is again the slightly photoshopped image of Benedict Cumberbatch as Doctor Strange from the beginning of the movie. They gave him that magical shield, which is not in the box, which really doesn't make much sense. But a nice color pop. They used the back window from the later in the movie, which actually looks pretty decent. Overall, a pretty good Doctor Strange figure. That shouldn't be more than the standard retail line. But let's open him up, see what he looks like there. All right, opening him up. He has that card backing. Or pretty cool little backdrop. I guess if you want to do some photography with, not bad. Doctor Strange comes in that large oversized plastic, pretty much to hold the portal effect here. And the back package just holds that yellow portal effect here, which is cool, but not $20 cool. And here's Doctor Strange. All he really comes with is an alternate set of hands, which will just probably go in a baggie and never be seen again. Very good figure with a nice likeness of Benedict Cumberbatch. That face printing scan technology they're using is just doing a wonderful job. When it's on, it's on. Unfortunately, there have been issues with the paint applications at times, and with the new windowless packaging, it's going to really make finding a good figure pretty much a lottery crapshoot. He's not bad. Again, he was almost $40 when he came out. Definitely not worth it. This little portal, I mean, while neat is, again, I just don't see that adding to the price of him. The figure is nice. The detailing on it, the uniform, the paint apps, everything about it is good. But just, again, that price point. I was able to get them on clearance for about $20, and that's yeah, I mean, that's what these things should be costing. looking at him and everything he comes with, the closed hands, this magical portal effect, I can't recommend it at retail. If you find them on clearance for about $20, I can highly recommend it. It is a great figure. I love the detailing on him. I love that head sculpt. But yeah, at his original retail price, he's just unfortunately a pass. Clearance, definitely grab for about $20. I like the movie. I know it divided some people. I really like the movie. I really like the figure from it. Overall, again, retail price, pass. Clearance, definitely buy. This is Toy-Nutz. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel, giving me a watch. If you would, please give me a like, subscribe, follow along on my Instagram and Facebook, and leave a comment below. What did you think of Doctor Strange, and what do you think of this movie? Was it good? Was it bad? In the immortal words of Stan Lee, Excelsior!